Design. The 2024 Genesis GV80 is about to get a motorcycle refresh. The standard SUV model will come with a good portion of styling updates. We presume that the focus will be on the front end, where we will see revisions in areas like the grille, headlights, bumper, etc. The rear end will come with a new bumper and some revisions to the tailgate and taillights. Interior. We may presume that smaller scale changes might happen, but the overall cabin design will remain the same. Simply, the current cabin already looks pretty amazing, with high-quality materials, elegant aesthetic, and plenty of tech and convenience features. Engines. Under the hood, we expect to see a familiar duo of powertrain options. These models will continue with a 2.5-liter turbo 4, which puts out around 300 horsepower. It comes coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission and offers pretty good driving dynamics. 2024 Genesis GV80 release date and price. We presume that the 2024 Genesis GV80 will arrive a little bit earlier than usual, though still within the second half of the year. As we already mentioned, a smaller price increase is always possible, so we presume that the base model could go around $58,000.